Hello friends, welcome to Solve Loop Quiz Challenge. Today's Guess the Hidden Object quiz is a fun challenge for your eyes and brain. In this game, you will find hidden emojis and hidden objects in colorful picture puzzles. Look carefully at each puzzle and see if you can spot the hidden object before time runs out. Every level gets your brain thinking and tests your observation skills. Can you find them all? Let's get started. Something cold hides in this snowy puzzle. Find it. Polar bear. Can you spot the sneaky critter blending into the wild? Lizard. Look closely at the dark shadows. What is lurking here? Bat. A delicious treat is camouflaged in this sweet field. Cherries. Search the golden sands. Which beach item is resting? Crab. Tell us your score from the first 5 puzzles. Try to discover the hidden light within these shadows. Bomb. There is a fast vehicle speeding through this blue pattern. Ship. Find the round object resting among the green fields. Tennis ball. A mysterious figure is waiting in the deep purple night. Ninja. Peer into the bright orange sunset to spot a juicy food. Carrot. Which puzzle has been the hardest so far? Comment below. Who is hiding inside this pink, playful design? Flamingo. Track down the ancient treasure buried under the rocks. Gold coin. Identify the useful tool resting inside this bright grid. Crown. Spot the spooky symbol silhouetted in the graveyard. Skull. Scan this fresh garden patch. What veggie do you see? Broccoli. Great job. Let's keep going. Can you track down the royal object hidden in the fire? Crown. Uncover the sharp object concealed in the dark shadows. Pirate flag. Check this blue sky maze to locate a soaring machine. Airplane. Spot the small desert crawler resting among the rocks. Scorpion. Is there a delicious fruit blending into this red wall? Strawberry. Don't rush. Please, like and subscribe. Something valuable is locked away. Can you see it? Diamond. A helpful tool rests in this bright yellow pattern. Key. Observe the deep ocean floor. Which swimmer is resting? Shark. Search through the thick grass for a hopping insect. Grasshopper. Look closely at the pink background. Who is waving? Pig. Comment your score and challenge a friend. Find the round sports gear resting in the orange field. Pumpkin. A dark midnight symbol is hiding inside these shapes. Black cat. There is a fast-flying creature in this bright sky. Honeybee. Something hot is blending into this bright magma pit. Hot pepper. Can you pull a magical item out of this purple fog? Top hat. Which puzzle was your favorite so far? A dangerous predator waits in the deepest shadows. Spider. Spot a beautiful flying insect landing on the flowers. Butterfly. Track down a slow winter traveler walking on the ice. Penguin. Inspect the muddy forest floor to find a wild mammal. Wild boar. There is a classic summer fruit hidden in the leaves. Green apple. Almost finished. Tell us your current score below. Peer closely through the fog to reveal a bright shape. Ghost. Unearth the ancient weapon resting in the deep sand. Trident. Discover a tiny green machine parked among the moss. Tractor. Identify the useful piece of clothing on the ocean bed. T-shirt. Locate the hidden musical instrument in this dark maze. Pirate flag. Great job. How many hidden objects did you find today? Leave your final score in the comments section below. Look carefully at each puzzle and see if you can spot the hidden object before time runs out. Every level gets your brain thinking and tests your observation skills. Can you find them all? Let's get started. Please, like, share, and subscribe to our channel.